Shijiazhuang Hongdefa Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2009, is a professional manufacturer of grain processing machinery integrating product development, design, production, sales, and after-sales. Products mainly include maize or corn milling equipment, wheat flour milling equipment, grain cleaning equipment, steel silo, steel structure. The main export markets are Africa, South America, Asia, and other countries. Our company has 3 overseas offices: Ethiopia, Zambia, and Uganda, which can provide good pre-sale service and after-sales service for clients. More than 30 overseas Chinese engineers. The engineer has more than 20 years experience in flour milling industrial. Our engineer will guide to install the milling machine, test the machine, and train clients' workers. And now we have about 30 engineers installing milling machine in Africa, like Zimbabwe, installing 500-ton maize mill machine, Zambia, installing 240-ton maize milling machine, Nigeria, installing 150-ton maize milling machine, Tanzania, installing 50-ton maize milling machine, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. We have professional technique department, which can make a special design based on your request, make professional designs and provide turnkey projects, and whole life service to ensure customer satisfaction. We have established business relationship with more than 30 countries in the world, such like Kenya, Zambia, South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Afghanistan, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Venezuela, Cameroon, Angola, South Africa, Brazil, Argentina, Malaysia, and so on. We are looking forward to work with you and establish long-term cooperative.